Now, as we take a walk to the boarding gate, it's time for my final review. And as you guys know, I don't hold back. If I don't like something, I'll say it. But on the other hand, when I like something, I'd say it. And let me tell you this, before coming to Pakistan, I'll be honest, I was very scared. I'm not very scared, I was quite scared to come here, quite nervous, because in the West, we grow up and we learn that these places can be very scary and bad things can go on. And yes, that may be correct, but the things that we don't get told is how the people are, the everyday person, how they treat you, how hospitable they are. And let me tell you this, also before coming to Pakistan and when I was in India, I got so many messages saying, come Pakistan bro, it's amazing bro, you'll see why it's so good, you see why it's amazing. So I was like, is this all just false? Is this all just people with a biased opinion? So I thought, you know what, I'll give it a try. Landed in Pakistan, well not landed, I walked from India to Pakistan, over the Wagah border, got to Pakistan, and within 1 hour is all it took for me to realise, wow, this place is special, the people here are special. We got stopped walking the street 3 times in the first hour in Lahore. Hi bro, you okay? Oh, where are you boys from? Do you need any help? Oh, come for some ice cream with me. Tried to pay, the guy didn't even let me pay. It took me 1 hour in Pakistan to learn that it's so much better than India, because there's such a debate going on between Pakistan and India. Where should you go, Pakistan or India? What's better, Pakistan or India? I hope my videos can show, and I hope I can be like, I hope you can see the honesty here, that Pakistan is the best. Go to Pakistan and don't go to India if you are a tourist. I am telling you that right now. India don't want you there. Pakistan, on the other hand, they will treat you like kings and queens. I have nothing but positive things to say about Pakistan locals. They have actually been amazing. So this is my message to you guys in Pakistan, all the Pakistanis watching right now. Thank you so much for how you've treated me in your country. Thank you for smiling at me in the streets. Thank you for stopping me and see if I'm okay. Thank you for taking me for ice cream and paying for my things. Thank you for just like making me have the best week here. And I am so sad that my time in Pakistan has come to a short end, but let me tell you this right now, I will be back. So the one thing I say about places is that the thing that makes a country is not the place, it's the people. But for Pakistan, I've got to give it both. It is the place and it is the people. The beautiful mountains of Skardu, the mountainous area, the city in Lahore was nice. Even our little stopover in Islamabad was nice. But the thing that really tops this country off, like I said guys, it's the people. So thank you one more time, Pakistan. I will be back, and I have one more thing today just to say. Pakistan's in the bad. Pakistan's in the bad. Come on.